Good morning, students. Brahmanath. Om. Om. Shanti. 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 Today we are going to discuss the application of increasing and decreasing. Last class we discussed the problems of council syllabus, that is elements of mathematics. So what is an increasing function? A function f of x is said to be an increasing function in an interval I if x1 greater than x2, then f of x1 greater than is equal to f of x2. That means small input, so we get small output, and higher input we get higher output. So this is called increasing function. Next one, decreasing function. A function f of x is said to be a decreasing function in an interval I if x1 is less than x2, then f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2. That means small input number, so we get higher output, and taking higher input we get small output. This is called decreasing function. ठीक अच्छी. These are the questions. Question number 1, show that log 1 plus x is greater than x by 1 plus x for x greater than 0. Question number 2, tan inverse x greater than x by 1 plus x square for x greater than 0. Question number 3, tan x is greater than x when 0 less than x less than pi by 2. And question number 4, if g of x is equal to fx minus fx whole square plus fx whole cube, then show that gx and fx behaves together for x belongs to R. That means if gx is increasing, then fx also increasing. If gx is decreasing, then fx also decreasing. Behaves together means gx jaha karibo fx seya karibo. Okay. अच्छा, तो लास्ट क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, given g of x is equal to fx minus fx whole square plus fx whole cube. This is g of x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. We get g dash x is equal to, this is f dash x. F dash x means derivative of fx minus 2fx into f dash x plus 3fx whole square into f dash x. This is g dash x. So what is common? F dash x is common. This is f dash x into curly bracket 1 minus 2fx plus 3fx whole square. 3fx whole square. So it is a quadratic in fx. This is a quadratic in fx. And what is the coefficient of fx whole square? 3. So 3 is a common. So this is equal to 3 into f dash x, curly bracket, this is fx whole square minus 2 by 3 into fx plus 1 by 3. तो इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू एफ डैश एक्स कर्ली ब्रैकेट टिके एडजस्टमेंट कर टिके एफ एक्स होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू एफ एक्स इंटू 1/3 टी एडजस्ट कर ली ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2 ए दिस इज बी तो बी स्क्वायर टी ऐड कर आउे बी स्क्वायर टी कौन कर माइनस करदेव बी स्क्वायर ऐड कराला देख बी स्क्वायर ऐड कली बी स्क्वायर माइनस कल तो वैल्यू डज नॉट चेंज वैल्यू डज नॉट चेंज तो इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू एफ डैश एक्स कर्ली ब्रैकेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स a माइनस b रो होल स्क्वायर दिस इज fx माइनस 1/3 रो होल स्क्वायर प्लस दिस इज 1/3 दिस इज 1/9 1/9 तो g डैश x इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू एफ डैश एक्स कर्ली ब्रैकेट एफ एक्स माइनस 1/3 रो स्क्वायर प्लस एलसीएम इज 9 तो दिस इज 3 माइनस 1 दैट इज 2/9 2/9 2/9 अच्छा सिंस एफ एक्स माइनस 1/3 रो होल स्क्वायर एच एफ एक्स माइनस 1/3 होल स्क्वायर इज ग्रेटर देन 0 because this is a whole square means power is 2 so anything power is 2 means it is always positive so this is positive 2/9 also greater than 0 therefore curly bracket fx minus 1/3 whole square plus 2/9 greater than 0 now f dash x is greater than 0 then g dash x greater than 0 that is if f of x देखो टिके जेहेतु एफ एक्स माइनस 1/3 होल स्क्वायर जैसे पावर जी 2 अच्छी तो ये पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ये मतलब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू तो होल्ड अ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू तो होल्ड अ पॉजिटिव इनटू दिस तो ये एफ डैश दी पॉजिटिव हम होल्ड अ पॉजिटिव हम एफ डैश नेगेटिव हेले होल्ड नेगेटिव हम तो जी डैश एक्स डिपेंड्स ऑन कौन एफ डैश एक्स जी डैश एक्स डिपेंड्स ऑन एफ डैश एक्स इफ एफ डैश एक्स इज पॉजिटिव then g dash is x is positive f dash x is positive means fx is increasing if fx is increasing then gx is increasing similarly f dash x is negative then g dash is negative f dash x negative means fx is decreasing function so gx also what decreasing therefore now g dash x depends on f dash x if f dash x greater than 0 then g dash x greater than 0 f dash the positive हो g dash टा कौन हो positive that implies fx is f dash is greater than 0 means fx is increasing fx is increasing function increasing then gx also increasing function increasing similarly if f dash x is less than 0 then g dash x also less than 0 that implies fx is decreasing then gx also decreasing for all x belongs to R hence Hence gx and fx behaves together. Hence gx and fx behaves together for x belongs to R. For x belongs to R. Next question. So that 10x is greater than x when x lies between 0 and pi by 2. That means when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, we need to show that 10x is greater than x. So solution 3 number. Let f of x is equal to 10x minus x. Let f of x equal to 10x minus x, or you may take also x minus 10x. So first find f dash x. So what is f dash x? This is sec square x minus 1. Sec square x minus 1. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, sec square x is greater than 1. Sec square x is greater than 1. So this implies sec square x minus 1 is greater than 0. Because sec 0 is 1, sec pi by 2 is infinity. So this is 1 to infinity. Sec square x belongs to 1 to infinity. So 1 to infinity, 1 to bada, infinity to choto. So sec square x minus 1 is positive. Sec square x is greater than 1. So sec square x minus 1 is greater than 0. So implies f dash x greater than 0 for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So f dash x greater than 0 means f of x is an increasing function. Therefore, by definition of increasing function, as x greater than 0, this implies f of x greater than f of 0. x1 greater than x2. x1 greater than x2 implies f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2. For strictly increasing, f of x1 greater than f of x2. So here x1 is x, x2 is 0. So x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 means x greater than 0. So x greater than 0 means f of x greater than f of 0. So what is f of x? F of x is 10x. This implies 10x minus x. This is fx. Is greater than f of 0. So f of 0 means put x equal to 0. F of 0 means 10 0 minus 0. So implies 10x minus x is greater than 0 for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. 10 0 0. So 0 minus 0 0. So implies 10x is greater than x for 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Hence proof. Question number 3. Next question number 2 करिए. Question number 2 सेम आ भलिया करिवो. Question number 2 मध्य. Question number 2. Let f of x is equal to same 10 inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square. fx is equal to 10 inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square. Therefore f dash x 1 by 1 plus x square minus u by v for u by v. So 1 plus x square into derivative of x is 1 minus x, derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole square is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square minus, this is 1 plus x square minus 2x square divided by 1 plus x square whole square. 1 by 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square whole square. तो फाइंड एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज 1 plus x square whole square is 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square. तो इज इक्वल टू 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square. 2x square by 1 plus x square whole square. तो f dash x is equal to what? 2x square by 1 plus x square. This is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. 2x square by 1 plus x square greater than 0 because x to the power 2 अच्छी 1 plus x square is positive whole square. Okay, greater than 0 for x greater than 0. So this implies f of x is an increasing function. Increasing function for x greater than 0. For x greater than 0. By definition of increasing. By definition of increasing. x1 greater than x2. x1 greater than x2 अर्थ x greater than 0. x1 means x, x2 अर्थ 0. x1 greater than x2 implies f of x1 greater than f of x2. x2 means 0. So what is f of x? F of x is tan inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square. Mine greater than f of 0. So tan inverse 0 minus 0 by 1 plus 0 square. This implies tan inverse x minus x by 1 plus x square greater than 0. This tan inverse 0 is 0 for x greater than 0. So this implies tan inverse x greater than x by 1 plus x square for x greater than 0. Hence proof. Hence proved. This is question number 2. Similarly, you can do question number 1. Same, let fx equal log 1 plus x minus x by 1 plus x. Okay? Same आवड़ा ही करियो. Next, find the intervals on which the following functions are increasing and decreasing. Find the interval on which the given functions are increasing and decreasing. First question, fx equal x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube. Second question, fx is equal to sin x whole power 4 plus cos 4th x when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Both 0 and pi by 2 are included. Third question, fx is equal to 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x divided by 2 plus cos x when x lies between 0 and 2 pi. 0 and 2 pi. So first last one कर देखो. Last question. Question number 3. Given f of x is equal to 4 sin x minus 2x minus x cos x divided by 2 plus cos x. Interval is this. X belongs to 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So we can write fx is equal to 4 sin x minus due to the xt common काट दबा 2 plus cos x whole divided by कौन अच्छी 2 plus cos x. तो 2 plus cos x टाको individually divide कर दबा. तो what is fx? 4 sin x divided by 2 plus cos x minus x. This is fx. So first find f dash x. So f dash x is equal to u by v method 2 plus cos x. Derivative of 4 sin x is 4 cos x divided by minus 4 sin x. Derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus sin x whole divided by 2 plus cos x whole square. Derivative of x is 1 minus this is 1. Derivative of x is 1. So simplify this. So 8 cos x plus 4 cos square x. This is plus 4 sin square x whole divided by 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1 is equal to, that implies f dash x is equal to 8 cos x. तो दिस इज 4 टी कॉमन बाहर कर दिए इठरू प्लस 4 कॉमन काट देले cos स्क्वायर x प्लस sin स्क्वायर x होल डिवाइड बाय 2 प्लस cos x रो होल स्क्वायर होल रो कोन आनिया -1 करिबा. दिस इज -1. तो इज इक्वल टू 8 cos x. दिस इज cos स्क्वायर x प्लस sin स्क्वायर x इज 1. तो 4 into 1, this is 4. The 4 into this is 1 divided by 2 plus cos x whole square minus 1. So find LCM. 2 plus cos x whole square is LCM. So 8 cos x plus 4 minus 2 plus cos x whole square. This is LCM आसीगला. So is equal to 8 cos x plus 4. This is minus, this is 4 whole square खुल दियो 4 plus cos square x plus 4 cos x whole divided by 2 plus cos x रो whole square. सिंपली हम कौन करें डेरिवेटिव बाहर कर सिंपलीफाई करा हो जाए किसी नहीं. Therefore तो f dash x is equal to 8 cos x. तो 4 को 4 कैंसिल कला 4 को 4 कैंसिल हो गला 8 cos x रु 4 cos x चली गला. तो रहले केते 4 cos x minus cos square x divided by 2 plus cos x रो whole square. तो cos x टी कॉमन काट दियो 4 minus cos x divided by 2 plus cos x रो whole square. When x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, when x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, cos 0 is 1, cos 2 pi is 0. Only cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Sorry, this is f dash x. Sorry, for increasing, find the interval IG. For increasing f dash x greater than 0. So implies cos x into 4 minus cos x divided by 2 plus cos x whole square greater than 0. Implies cos x greater than 0. कहीं ना 4 minus cos x always positive for every value of x. 2 plus cos x whole square also positive for every value of x. So cos x is greater than 0. Cos x is positive means x belongs to first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Cos x is positive which quadrant? First and fourth quadrant. So this implies this is the first, second, third, fourth. तो ये दीटा क्वाड्रेंट रे cos is positive. Cos x is positive when x belongs to cos x is positive when x belongs to तो implies x belongs to first quadrant. 0 to pi by 2 open interval union 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi by close. Cos is a positive, cos x is positive in first and fourth quadrant, and cos is negative second and third quadrant. And for decreasing f dash x is less than 0 implies cos x into 4 minus cos x divided by 2 plus cos x whole square greater than less than 0, implies cos x is less than 0 because 4 minus cos x greater than 0, 2 plus cos x whole square greater than 0. So cos x is less than 0 means cos is negative which quadrant? Cos x is negative when x lies in second and third quadrant. So x lies in second and third quadrant. So this implies x belongs to open interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. This is when x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. This is the decreasing function. When x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 and union 3 pi to 2 pi, this is the increasing function. Okay, this is question number 3. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 देखो ठीक है. Question number 2 given f of x is sin 4th x plus cos 4th x. This is f of x. Find f dash x. X belongs to what? 0 to pi by 2. Find f dash x. f dash x. f dash x बाहर करिबा तो ठीक अच्छी. f dash x means derivative of sin 4th x 4 sin qx into derivative of sin x is cos x or d by dx of sin x. This is also 4 cos qx into d by dx of cos x. So 4 sin qx into this is cos x. This is 4 cos qx. This is minus sin x. So this is minus sin x. So taking 4 sin x cos x common आसीगला. This is sin square x minus cos square x. So is equal to, so this is 2, 4 means 2 into 2, 2 sin x into cos x. Minus 1 d common काट दले. This is cos square x minus sin square x. So this is minus 2. This is sin 2x. 2 sin x into cos x is sin 2x. This one sin 2x. This is sin 2x. This is cos 2x. This is cos 2x. So minus 2 into sin 2x into cos 2x. This is minus again 2 sin 2x cos 2x means sin 4x. So minus of sin 4x. Okay, minus of sin 4x. For critical value put sin 4x f dash x is equal to 0. तो implies minus sin 4x is equal to 0 or sin 4x is equal to 0 or 4x is equal to n pi. N belongs to z. When n is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 4 belongs to 0 to 2 pi. 0 to pi by 2. So n equal to 1 means केता आसीबो. So n equal to 0 means 0 आसीगला. This is 0. n is equal to 1. X is equal to pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi by 2. n is equal to 2. X is equal to pi by 2 belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Okay? hello nahi? अच्छा. This is the number line. This is 0. This is pi by 2. This is pi by 4. दिस इज पाई बाई तो 2 इंटरवल आसला गोटे 0 टू पाई बाई 4 गोटे पाई बाई 4 टू पाई बाई 2 गोटे तो 0 टू पाई बाई 4 देख टिके when x belongs to when 0 less than x less than pi by 4 तो implies 0 is less than 4x is less than pi 4 टी मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो तो 4x lies between 0 to pi तो 4x lies between 0 to pi means this is 0 to pi तो 0 to pi is sign is positive sin function is positive therefore sin 4x is greater than 0 तो implies minus sin 4x is less than 0 minus sin 4x is less than 0 that implies f dash x is less than 0 तो implies x belongs to 0 to 0 to pi by 4 f of x is decreasing okay next again pi by 4 is less than x less than pi by 2 तो नेगेटिव लाइट पॉजिटिव आसीबो है कि pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2 तो मल्टीप्लाई 4 हमको दरकार 4x दरकार तो implies pi is less than 4x less than 2 pi pi is less than 4x less than 2 pi तो implies sin 4x is less than 0 in second, third and fourth quadrant. This is pi, this is 2 pi. Okay, so pi to 2 pi sin 4x is less than 0. Third and fourth quadrant sin is negative. Sin 4x is less than 0 implies minus sin 4x is greater than 0. So this implies f dash x greater than 0 implies f of x is increasing when x belongs to extra code रहुची when x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 pi by 4 to pi by 2 so in this interval fx is increasing and 0 to pi by 4 fx is decreasing 0 to pi by 4 fx is decreasing and pi by 4 to pi by 2 fx is increasing pi 0 and pi by 2 not included particularly 0 and pi by 2 f dash is 0 so neither increasing nor decreasing okay next question number 1 1 number देखो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 very interesting question f of x is equal to x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube तो फर्स्ट फाइंड f dash x बाहर कर दियो तो ये u into v फार्मूला तो d by dx of x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 3 whole cube plus x plus 1 whole cube into d by dx of x minus 3 whole cube so is equal to this is 3 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square plus x plus 1 whole cube into 3 into x minus 3 whole square देखो 3 कॉमन आसीबो आ कोन आसीबो x plus 1 whole square कॉमन आसीबो x minus 3 whole square कॉमन आसीबो x plus 1 whole square आसला x minus 3 whole square आसला कॉमन x plus 1 whole square और x minus 3 whole square कॉमन आसीला आ रहला कोन इटी देखो this is a cube एटा रहला x minus 3 रहला एटा रहला x plus 1 रहला so this is 3 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square into 2x minus 2 तो इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स माइनस 3 होल स्क्वायर इंटू दिस इज 6 एक्स माइनस 1 x minus 1 for increasing f dash x greater than 0 तो implies 6 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square into x minus 1 greater than 0 6 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square into x minus 1 greater than 0. This is f dash x. So for increasing f dash x is positive. But x plus 1 whole square, the power is 2. So this is always positive. X minus 3 also always positive. For x not is equal to 3. Therefore, x plus 1 whole square greater than 0. X minus 3 whole square greater than 0. For x naught is equal to 3, this is x naught is equal to minus 1. So therefore, x minus 1 greater than 0 implies x greater than 1. Condition x naught is equal to 3. So this implies x belongs to 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity minus curly bracket 3. 1 to infinity 3 रहे होची तो particularly 3 रे f dash is 0. तो f of x neither max nor min at x is equal to 3. Okay. So for increasing when x belongs to 1 to infinity minus curly bracket 3. Fx is increasing function. In this interval, fx is what? Increasing function. Or 1 to 3 increasing, 3 to infinity be increasing. Okay. Next, for decreasing f dash x is less than 0. So 6 into x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3 whole square into x minus 1 less than 0. This implies x minus 1 less than 0. Because x plus 1 whole square greater than 0 for x naught is equal to minus 1. X minus 3 whole square greater than 0 for x naught is equal to 3. So implies x is less than 1. Condition x naught is equal to minus 1. So x belongs to minus infinity to 1 minus curly bracket minus 1. Therefore, f of x is decreasing in the interval x belongs to minus infinity to 1 minus curly bracket minus 1. So minus infinity to 1 they decreasing, particularly minus 1 रे neither increasing nor decreasing, means सेठी कौन होता है कर्व डा just behave करुची किंतु strictly decreasing this interval. Okay. और we can write also कौन लिखी परिबा x belongs to लिखी परिबा 1 to 3 union 3 to infinity. एटा को लिखी परिबा में minus infinity to minus 1 union minus 1 to 1. एटा लिखले भी चलिबो हला. Minus infinity to minus 1 union minus 1 to 1. Next question, find the least value of a such that the function x square plus ax plus 1 is strictly increasing on the interval 1 comma 2. That means when x lies between 1 and 2, the given function is increasing function. So for what value, for what least value of a, the function is increasing. एटार minimum value केते हेले function increasing on the interval 1 comma 2. So solution, given f of x is equal to x square plus ax plus 1. This is the given function. So first find f dash x. F dash x 2x plus a. F of x is increasing. F of x is increasing on देजी 1, 2. That is 1 less than x less than 2. 1 less than x less than 2. So implies f dash 1 is equal to 2 plus a, and f dash 2 is equal to 4 plus a. That is f dash 1 is less than f dash x is less than f dash 2. So implies 2 plus a is less than f dash x is less than 4 plus a. As f dash x greater than 0, because f of x is increasing. So 2 plus a greater than is equal to 0. f dash टा पॉजिटिव ना, तो 2 plus a मध्ये कोण आवडो ग्रेटर than is equal to 0. पोल टा पॉजिटिव हवा पडियो. तो implies a greater than is equal to -2. a greater than is equal to what? -2. a यदि -2 ठू बड़ हबो, -2 हेले ग्रेटर देन 0 हबो. -2 तो ये +2 है. ठीक अच्छे. तो a ग्रेटर देन, so simply खाली least value of a. So that implies a belongs to -2 to infinity. a यदि -2 to infinity हबो, f of x is increasing function. For least value of a कहला तो a belongs to what? -2 to infinity. -2 to infinity. Okay. यदि a यदि 2 है गला, -2 है तो 0. Next question. Write a polynomial which is increasing on the intervals -infinity to -1, union 1 to infinity, and decreasing on -1 to +1. Decreasing on -1 to what? +1. That means this is the number line, this is -infinity to +infinity, and this one is -1, this one is +1. So f dash x is increasing in this interval and this interval. So f dash x is increasing means f dash x is positive. In which interval? -infinity to -1, union 1 to infinity. A bhitere f dash is positive because in this interval f dash x is increasing. Fx is increasing function. Fx is increasing means f dash x is positive, and decreasing on the interval -1 to +1. So -1 to +1 f dash x is negative. Therefore f dash x has 2 critical values. Therefore f dash x has 2 critical values, that is -1 and +1. Hence f dash x has 2 critical values. Therefore f dash x is a second degree expression. F dash x is a second degree expression, and fx is a third degree expression. Because third degree को जो हमें डेरिवेटिव करिबा, हमें कौन पाई जिबे? f dash x second degree पाई जिबा. तो fx is a third degree expression. Since f dash x has two critical values, that is -1 and 1, so fx is a second degree expression. Therefore f dash x is a second degree expression. Therefore f of x is a third degree expression. Because third degree जब हम डेरिवेटिव करिवा तो हमें सेकेंड डिग्री पाइबा. थर्ड डिग्री डेरिवेटिव कौन? सेकेंड डिग्री. ओके. Also f dash -1 is equal to 0 and f dash 1 is equal to 0, because f dash x is stationary at x is equal to -1 and +1. that is 1 and -1 तार डायरेक्शन चेंज करूची. कर्व डायरेक्शन टा कोड चेंज करूची at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to -1 रे. तो f dash x is stationary at x is equal to +1 -1, hence f dash -1 equal to 0 and f dash +1 equal to 0, because f dash x is stationary at x is equal to +or-1. Let f of x is a third degree. F of is a what? Third degree expression. So let fx is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Let this is fx. So find f dash x. Therefore f dash x is equal to 3ax square plus 2bx plus c. So implies f dash -1. So put x is equal to -1. 3a minus b plus c is equal to 0. Equation 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2 कर दो. And f dash 1 is equal to 3a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Equation 3. तो add कर दिया. Adding 2 and 3. Sorry, 3 minus 2. Equation 3 minus 2. तो 3 रू 2 माइनस कले 3 को 3 कटला. 2b is equal to 0. Implies b is equal to 0. So this implies 3a plus c is equal to 0. b 0 है कौन? 3a plus c equal to 0. तो what is c? c is equal to -3a. c is equal to -3a. तो b 0 आसीगला. c टा कौन आसिला? -3 आसिला. तो you may take as f dash x equal to what? 3ax square plus bx plus c. This is f dash x. Sorry. F dash x equal to 3x square plus bx plus c. So x if since f dash x is positive, since so this implies a also greater than 0. F dash x is positive in the interval in minus infinity to -1 union 1 to infinity plus minus plus 1 to infinity. So this implies a greater than 0. This implies a greater than 0. Hence A may be taken as, hence A can be taken as any positive value. Any positive value. Okay. Let A is equal to 5. Therefore, C is equal to minus 15. And D belongs to real number R. And suppose D is equal to 0. Therefore, f of x is equal to ax square, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That is a is equal to 5x cube, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 15, because c is equal to minus 3a, minus 15x plus 0. So this is 5x cube, 5 common कर दले और 5x cube minus 15, 5x cube minus 15x. Okay, this is fx. Or if a is equal to 1, suppose a is equal to 1, then fx may be, fx is s cube minus 3x. If a is equal to 1, fx is s cube minus 3x. If a is equal to 2, this is 2s cube minus 6x. If a is equal to 3, this is 3s cube minus 9x, and so on. This is the fx. Fx is equal to 5s cube minus 3x. For verification, so f dash x 15x square minus 15. Okay, for a critical point, put f dash x is equal to 0. Implies 15x square minus 15 is equal to 0, or 15 common कर ले x square minus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to plus or minus 1. So x is equal to plus or minus 1. Since the x square, the sign of x square is positive, so put here positive sign, then their opposite negative, then their opposite positive. So when x is less than minus 1 or x greater than plus 1, f of x is increasing. When x lies between minus 1 to plus 1, f of x is decreasing. This is the verification. Okay. These two questions are homework for you. Same type of question, write a polynomial which is decreasing on the intervals minus infinity to 2, union 3 to infinity, and increasing on 2 to infinity. That means minus infinity, this is plus infinity, this is 2 and 3. The positive, negative, negative. A decreasing, increasing. So same stationary at x equal to 2 and 3. Like f dash 2 is equal to 0, f dash 3 is equal to 0, and jehetu f dash x is decreasing in the interval minus infinity to 2 and 3 to infinity. So f dash x is less than 0 when a less than 0. A less than 0 and f dash x is a second expression. Therefore, f x is a third degree expression. So, this is the same way. This is your complete increasing and decreasing of a function. Next class, we shall do maximum and minimum of a function.